To integrate Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce. Start by creating a Google Analytics account and setting up a property for your website. Next, enable e-commerce tracking by going to the Admin section, selecting the View, and clicking on E-commerce Settings. Enable Enhanced E-commerce Reporting, which provides more detailed insights into your site's shopping behavior and transactional data. You will need to add the Google Analytics tracking code to your website, either by copying and pasting the code snippet into your site's HTML or by using a tag management system like Google Tag Manager. Once the tracking code is in place, you need to set up the data layers that will capture the e-commerce data. The data layer is a JavaScript object that contains information about the products, impressions, and transactions on your site. You can use the Google Analytics e-commerce plugin to simplify the process of setting up the data layers. To track product impressions, you need to push the impression data to the data layer when a product is displayed on the page. For example, when a user views a product category page, you would push the product impression data to the data layer, including the product name, category, and price. To track product clicks, you need to push the click data to the data layer when a user clicks on a product. For example, when a user clicks on a product from a category page, you would push the product click data to the data layer, including the product name and category. To track transactions, you need to push the transaction data to the data layer when a user completes a purchase. For example, when a user checks out and completes a purchase, you would push the transaction data to the data layer, including the order total, tax, and shipping. To verify that enhanced e-commerce tracking is working, go to the Google Analytics reports and look for the e-commerce data. Check the product impressions, product clicks, and transaction reports to ensure that the data is being tracked correctly. You can also use the Google Analytics debugger to verify that the data layers are being pushed correctly. Best practices for implementing Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce include setting up clear and consistent naming conventions for your products and categories, using the data layer to capture all relevant e-commerce data, and testing and verifying that the tracking is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can gain valuable insights into your site's shopping behavior and make data-driven decisions to improve your e-commerce strategy.